Guys, today I got a new video with you today, and it's actually really cool. I've been wanting one for so long, and I finally got one. I made myself one, and it's super crappy, but luckily my brother-in-law is a lifesaver. Shout out to Clayton if you're watching this. Shout out to you. So, I finally got a fidget spinner. Now, this is called just a hand spinner. I don't know what brand it is. It's just called hand spinner. Work, class, and home. I don't know if you can read it. You can. Good for you. Anyway, it just says hand spinner and everything. I got it at my local gas station. But, anyway, let's see if I can get it. Hold up. Okay, so I know I haven't been posting daily. I mean, I got school and everything, and I just can't do it, guys. So what you're gonna? Why is that on there? Why is it all dirty? Need that clean.
The cat's gonna.
Okay. Anyway, that's my food. My brother got me a white one. It comes like clear, this like clear like case thing. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. Put that back in there. So it's really cool. I've used one before. They're pretty awesome. I like them. I don't know how long it is. I'm guessing 12 seconds. But anyway, this is really cool. It makes a weird noise. See, hold up. Makes like a little weird noise and everything, but I love it a lot. I like it. It's white. Will pop off little pads like that. Really simple to pop off. So it has a really good bearing without the cap things. And then these don't have the caps. And then they're not good. This one is. See, look pretty. Anyway, put the caps back on. I'm originally going to customize this because it's white and it's just plain. So, yeah, they're about 5 to like, I don't know how much, $5 to $6. But anyway, yeah, it's really cool. I like it a lot. It's a new trend now, everybody. It's about $6. You can get them on Amazon and all those good, like Amazon, Walmart. I'd rather get them from Amazon because the Walmart ones are just. I was about to get a Walmart one, but then my brother-in-law got me one for my birthday, my late birthday. So yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna put this back in here, like how it was. Really smooth, good for tricks. That stuff, you know, it's really cool. Like it a lot. Buy them, you know, just anywhere you want. But that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Hope you like. Don't forget to like, share with your friends if you actually, hold up. If we can get 20 likes on this video, that's like way too much. 15 likes on this video, I will do tricks with this fidget spinner. If we can get 15 likes, I will do it. And don't forget to like, share with friends if you enjoy, subscribe if you're new, and see you guys in the next one. Peace out.